All right, first we're going to start with removing the windshield. Next, we're going to be removing the two upper bolts and the single bottom bolt. All right, now the fairing is ready to be removed. All right, next we're going to be removing the fairing and unplugging the headlight. All right, next we're going to be removing these two T10s on each side and the foam gaskets. And hold on to these because we'll be reusing them. All right, and we'll be pulling the gaskets off. All right, next we're going to be removing the OEM turn signals. You do have the option to run the OEM turn signals and the vent signals, or you can just run the vent signals. And on this build, we're going to be doing just the vent signals. So next we'll be removing the turn signal pod. And then it just unplugs right here from this connector and feeds out here. All right, next we're going to be removing the other turn signal pod. All right, next we're going to be installing the LED vent lights with the T10 that we previously removed. We're going to work our way over to the other side and do the same thing over here. All right, next we'll be working on the wiring. All right, next we're going to kind of route the wiring along the stock harness here, kind of eliminate some of the slack. And then we're going to plug in the male connector right into here. And then this is if you want to run the optional OEM turn signals, you have your harness here. And we're just going to secure that up here with a zip tie for now. We're going to run one more up here. All right, now we're ready to put the fairing back on.